Hi guys, today we'll understand how to use the link option which is available in the insert menu. You can open this option by clicking on Ctrl K from the keyboard. Now there are two ways in which you can have this link option available on your Google Sheet. That is, you can click on Insert, click on Link, and it will open the link option which we can see how can be used further. Or the second option is you right click on the cell where you want to add the link, and there's an option to insert the link. It will open the same window again for you. Yeah. So let's start how to use a particular link into your Google Sheet. Now suppose I have the store keys. Yeah. And I want to link it to a different sheet which has all the store keys for a company. Suppose this sheet has all the store keys of the company. I want my Google Sheet to move to the store keys sheet as soon as I click on this heading. So how do I do that? So I'll click on store keys. I'll go to the cell where I want to create a link. I'll click on insert. I'll say link. Yes. And I'll say store key. So here, these are the latest options that are available, which you can access. Yeah. So if I want to go to any sheet, I'll click on this option, which is available down here. I click on the relevant sheet that I want to go to. So suppose I want to go to store keys, I'll click on that. Now you can see it has turned into a hyperlink. So whenever I go hover my mouse pointer here, it gives me an option to go to store keys. Now, if I click on store keys, it will take me to the sheet of store keys. Yeah. Now, suppose I want an option here to go back to raw data. Again, I will say right click, insert link, and our data was in the raw data. So I'll say raw data. So by clicking on raw data, I'll go back to my original raw data. Clicking on store keys, I'll go to the sheet where all the store keys are present. So this is a good way of hovering or moving between sheets when you want to interlink sheets and you want to go show your data in a particular way or in a particular manner which you want to show to the clients or your bosses or your managers. Yeah. There's another great way of using link is you can link an website to a particular cell. So how do you do that? So I suppose I want to access Wikipedia on Google Sheet. So this is Wikipedia on Google Sheets. Yeah. And I understand, I assume that the Wikipedia on Google Sheet has all the Google keys. So what I'll do is I'll copy this address. Need to see to it that what I'm doing right now. So you need to copy the address which is here. I hope you all people are able to see it. I copy this, Control C. I'll go back to my sheet. I click on the cell where I want to add the link to the website. So I'll go, suppose I want it here on the product key. I'll right click on it or through insert and go to link. I'll put my website URL here and I'll say apply. Now you can see if I click on store keys, it will take me to the sheets which are already available on this Google Sheet. Yeah. But if I click on product key, it will take me to the website and it will show you a snapshot where it's going to take you. Yeah. So I click on Wikipedia, you'll see the Wikipedia page has opened up. So this is how you can use link to move between sheets. Yeah. And also move out of Google Sheets, or if you want to show some data which you have done some market research and you want to show a website where the research is available, you can use it this way. Now, if there is an existing link and you want to edit it, suppose you have mistakenly mapped it to store keys, but you want to map it to sheet 7. So what I'll do is I'll right click on it and I'll say edit link. Yeah. Or I'll go to insert and I'll say edit link. Now you cannot insert a link because the option has changed. If you go to a cell where the link is not there, it will ask you to insert the link. But if the link is already available in the cell where you want to add the link, then it will ask you to edit the link. Now, once you click on edit the link, here's the option where you can go and edit it. Either you can change the text and I'll say store keys. Yeah. And I can change which sheet I want further to link it to. So suppose I wanted to link it to sheet 7. Here it is. It's changed. The name has been changed. You can see this. And also it has been linked to sheet 7 now. I'll go back to my raw data. So this is how you can use sheets. Yes. And there are other options which you can use to edit it. So if I go to the cell, it will open up this pop-up which gives me to copy the link, or I can edit the links which we did right now, or I can remove the link. So how do I remove the link? I go to the cell. I'll say from this pop-up, I'll just remove. I'll say remove link. That's it. There is another option on the menu bar. Yeah. I'll show you where it is. So on the menu bar, you see this option, which is used to insert a link. So as I said, this is the third method by which you can add a link to your cell. Yeah. So the first method was, again, I'll just repeat it. The first method was through the menu bar, through insert link. You can right click and insert link, or you can use the formatting bar link option. And lastly, you can use the keyboard shortcut, which is Control K.